Data block splitting. Each file is split into one or more blocks which are stored and replicated in data nodes. The data block split is an important process of the HDFS architecture. As discussed earlier, each file is split into one or more blocks, stored and replicated in data nodes. Data nodes manage names and locations of file blocks. By default, each file block is 128 megabytes. However, this potentially reduces the amount of parallelism that can be achieved as the number of blocks per file decreases. Each map task operates on one block, so if tasks are lesser than nodes in the cluster, the jobs will run slowly. However, this issue is smaller when the average MapReduce job involves more files or larger individual files. Let's look at some of the benefits of the data block approach. The data block approach provides simplified replication, fault tolerance, and reliability. It also helps by shielding users from storage subsystem details. The block replication architecture. Block replication refers to creating copies of a block in multiple data nodes. Usually the data is split in the form of parts, such as part-0 and part-1. HDFS performs block replication on multiple data nodes so that if an error exists on one of the data node servers, the job tracker service will resubmit the job to another data node server. The job tracker service is present in the name node server. Let's now look at the replication method used. In the replication method, each file is split into a sequence of blocks. All blocks except the last one in the file are of the same size. Blocks are replicated for fault tolerance. The block replication factor is usually configured at the cluster level, but it can be configured at the file level. The name node receives a heartbeat and a block report from each data node in the cluster. The heartbeat denotes that the data node is functioning properly. A block report lists the blocks on a data node.